Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D models section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a vast variety of high-quality 3D models, and it gets updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will set up one very unusual 3D model. This is a sack with potatoes. Let's take a closer look at it. Looks like a real packaging. Let's create a new project. Look at the details of the sack. Let's zoom in. The potatoes look like a professional photo too. I like it so much. Let's see what materials can be used for the sack. The materials gallery provides a large selection of materials. You will definitely choose the material that suits you. You can also easily change the color of the material. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette, or enter the color code manually. Let's switch the material settings to their initial position. The next step is to add a design to the sack. To add the design, you can click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our pack. Let's add the first design element. In this, we see the editor where we can move and modify our design. See how the position of our design is displayed on the 3D model in real time. Great. Save the design. Next, let's add another design layer with the logo. Click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. Let's move our logo to the right place following the UV map. Great. Let's save the design. Good job. Let's customize our logo design. Select the design layer to make it active. We will tweak the material and then add some volume to it. The result is a very natural-looking sack with potatoes. Need a good background for our 3D model. Let's see what types of pre-made backgrounds we have available. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here, we can select the desired colors and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you, or add your own image. Let's add one. Excellent. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light can enhance the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Let's save our project now. After you've completed your design, you can share it by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Send it over to your colleagues, friends, or clients. And this is the end of our tutorial on creating a sack with potatoes design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.